we've no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Janelle and I upload new videos every Wednesday and Friday. And in today's video, I wanted to do a video helping you guys out, giving you guys a formula to create any holiday outfit for any sort of family gathering, work gathering, any holiday occasion. I'm here to help you so that you can shop your collection, not spend a bunch of money, and look very festive. To be honest, what gave me this video idea was my own personal issues, because your girl's been traveling a ton, I've been spending a ton of money on presents, and just like, life is getting very expensive, and I'm like, I literally do not have time or money to buy new outfits from top to bottom for every holiday occasion that I have to go to. And typically around this time of year, I like to do like a new winter haul or anything like that. But I was like, you know what? I have to shop my collection this holiday season, so I might as well help you guys out, give you guys a formula to shop your collection and kind of create whole new outfits that are very holiday appropriate. So if that's something that you're interested in seeing, then definitely consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit the notification bell too, so you can be notified every Wednesday and Friday when I upload. And I do plan on posting more videos each week to help you guys out this holiday season. I love you guys, and without any more rambling, let's jump into the video. I'm gonna try to calm down and pretend like there's not a million lights in front of me, because the second that the lights go on, my brain just kind of goes to complete fog and like it turns into a blob. I forget how to speak the English language. Taking words out of it's already happening. All right, so first things first, when it comes to my formula, basically, I'm gonna be creating holiday outfits with basic pieces that you probably already have in your closet, and then you can either add like a different color or texture that you may already have, or maybe you just need to buy one other piece to make your outfit more festive or holiday-y. I'm gonna be using that word a lot in this video, even though it's not a word. So that's the point of this video. It's so that you don't have to buy a new outfit from top to bottom. A lot of the items that I am gonna be showing you guys in this video are super old clothing items. So I'll do my best to link what I can down below or find similar products to link. Is not for you to buy the exact stuff that I have, but for you to shop your collection and kind of mimic the pieces that I have in the formula that I'm gonna be sharing with you. First formula to creating a holiday outfit with what you have is by just starting with a simple top, like any sort of mock neck top. It could be a simple white top. It literally could just be the most basic top, even a top like this, and then make it pop with like a fun skirt, whether it's a plaid skirt, a sparkly skirt, a satin skirt, a sequin skirt, even a leather skirt is like the easiest way to make a more holiday festive outfit. And then you can get extra holiday points by adding in some like fun glittery earrings or fun glittery shoes. But if you just have like that one fun skirt, then you don't have to buy like a new top and bottom. You just buy the one skirt and you're good to go. You're very festive. I'm gonna show you guys some examples on how to find like a good festive skirt with a simple top and how it makes it look so Christmassy. But again, it's just one item that you gotta find or pair together. All right, so this is what I had in mind for the first outfit. You have a simple top, and then this is my fun skirt. This I got from Meshki about 2 years ago for my birthday. I will try to find one link similar, but basically I just want to give you guys an overall general idea. So any sort of simple top with a fun skirt, and then I have them paired with these tight and some simple black pumps, and this is the first outfit. Up so you guys can see the full thing. I'm extremely bloated today. This is day 1 of my period, so I'm like getting out of breath easy. I don't feel the greatest, but fake it till you make it. So I really hope that you guys enjoy this, because I hate filming try-on videos or any sort of full body videos when I literally have a period child coming out of my stomach right now. It's really great. So here's another example of the simple top with a fun skirt. I have them paired with these booties that I got from Love Raid. I love these boots to go with everything. Or you could also opt for like a simple black pump, or do like no tights and probably like a more fun-ish heel, like something like this. Or something open-toed. Now, this skirt in particular, whenever I wear it, I like to wear it with tights because it is a little bit shorter and it has these slits. I got this skirt from Shein about 2 years ago as well. This is actually what I wore for Christmas 2019. So I'll definitely try to link something similar, but you get the idea. Any sort of like plaid, fun, very Christmassy skirt with your simple top. Honestly, I'm sure everybody has a simple black top. Everybody has simple black booties or tights. So then all you need to get is like a fun skirt, and then again, maybe add some fun, more like festive accessories to make it more Christmas. The next combination that will look very Christmassy is if you take any sort of simple black dress. It could literally be a t-shirt dress. It could be a simple black sweater dress. Literally the most basic dress, but all you're gonna do is add some glittery accessories or like a fun pop of color on the shoe or a glittery shoe. And just by adding like those fun accessories to the dress, it'll amp it up and look way more Christmassy. And the best part about a lot of the outfit formulas that I'm sharing with you guys is that even if you have to buy the whole outfit from top to bottom, like at least the pieces that you would buy to create these outfits are pieces that you could then use all year round that would go with so many different outfits. And it's not like you're getting a full glittery outfit from top to bottom and then like you can only use it during this time of year and then you can't even repeat it. I'll show you guys how a simple black dress you could dress up by either layering something underneath of it to keep warm. You wouldn't even have to do that, honestly, just by adding cute accessories like the earrings that I have on now and then the fun shoes that I showed you guys earlier. Adding that pop of sparkle will definitely make just a plain black dress look way more holiday appropriate and Christmassy. And like I said, you definitely don't even have to layer anything underneath, but just adding these pops of sparkle. I could even amp this up by like adding a cute red bag and boom, now I just look so holiday ready. Look how cute this is. I'm like discovering so many cute outfits. So you don't always have to buy something new. Sometimes you just add accessories, or instead of buying a whole new outfit top to bottom, get a cute red bag to go with it or get some fun earrings to go with it. This blazer dress I got from Forever 21 a few years ago, but again, you don't have to get this. Any simple black dress could work. Following that, you could do any sort of simple like black skirt, tights, and then a chunky knit top. Everybody owns a black skirt. Everybody owns black tights, but then you just tie in a chunky knit top and some like simple black pumps. With a chunky knit top, it just somehow makes it look so festive, especially if you balance it out with some like, again, festive earrings or anything like that. It'll make you look very like warm, cozy, and Christmassy, but still very holiday. Ever underestimate the adorability, if that was ever a word, of a cute chunky knit sweater. This one I got from Target literally like last week, and then a simple black skirt and some tights. You can throw in a fun pop of either like a sparkly or a Christmas color bag, and then just some tights and some simple black pumps. I prefer the way this outfit looks with black pumps instead of like over the knee boots or even a booty, because if you get a pointed toe pump, it kind of balances out the chunky and like frumpiness of the sweater, and it just helps balance it and makes it look a little bit more elegant and pretty. So I just have these suede pointed toe pumps that I got from Forever 21 like a million years ago, but you can find shoes like these anywhere. Don't get me wrong, this look could still look just as cute with a pair of, to be honest, your chunky knit doesn't even have to be like a white or creamy one. This would look pretty with even a black chunky knit sweater, a beige one, a gray one, a brown one even if you. Whenever I'm wearing my chunky knits with a skirt or any sort of like high-waisted item and I want it to be cropped but I don't want my skirt to be frumpy, I just will wear it with like a sports bra that comes pretty far down, and then I'll take my sweater that would normally come like this and I literally just tuck it in underneath of my bra. Sometimes I'll just do the front, but if I don't like the way it looks like coming down in the back, then I will do it all the way around. And this just helps you make any sweater that you're wearing appear more cropped. And then watch, you can like tuck it in more if you want more stomach to show, or you can just like pull it down if you want it to meet your skirt exactly. And boom, that's how you make every single sweater that you own a crop sweater. And it's also how you can give it that tuck look without it being like all bunched up in your skirt and all of that. All right, the next holiday outfit formula or idea would be any sort of like black flowy pants, whether they are dress pants, whether they're satin pants, whether they are glittery pants. Any sort of flowy black pant and a cute top. I feel like this is a great holiday option if you don't like wearing skirts or dresses and you want to be super comfortable for the holidays. You want to be able to sit however, you want to be able to lounge out on your grandma's couch after eating your Christmas dinner. This is a great option and it'll allow you to look super cute, still formal, but way more comfortable. This is also a great option for any like business holiday parties because you could just wear like a sleek black flowy trouser with like a mock neck top.
Any sort of flowy pant and like a cute top. Right now I have it paired with this top from Zara from a few years ago, but any cute top will work. Any like more dressy blouse or anything with a pair of flowy pants could look so cute. These flowy pants I got from Ross again in 2019, but you can find pants like these anywhere. Zara carries them, Ross, Marshalls, TJ Maxx. I'm literally sure you can find these anywhere. And these are great. Even like any sort of flowy dress pant could work, but this is great because it'll dress up your outfit without having to wear skirts. You'd be comfortable. It feels like you're wearing pajamas, but you still like look dressed up and very festive for the holidays. So then here's another example. This is like a flowy satin top that I got from Zaful. I still have the tags on it. This one's cropped and has like a little bit more skin showing in the back. And I feel like with the flowy pants, it makes it more tasteful than if I were to wear a top like this with a skirt. You got like to pick and choose what you want to show off more. And I think this is a cute option. Another good option would be a sparkly top. I have a sparkly corset that I got from Meshki, but I can't find it anywhere. It matches that sparkly skirt that I showed you guys earlier. And that could be really pretty too. Any sort of like sparkly fun top, any sort of satin top with the flowy pants. Boom, you're dressy, you're very festive, but you're also extremely comfortable.
My next option would be any sort of black bottom, like literally it could be black pants or a black skirt, and you could pair it with any sort of Christmas color top like a green or a red. The black bottom I feel like would automatically make it very Christmassy, especially if you add in the sparkly earrings. Or you can pair any sort of black bottom with a Christmas textured top. So that could be like a satin top, a glittery top, a sequin top. I love wearing satins. Like those are my favorite, especially for this time of year. It's a very Christmassy texture to where you can wear that, but it doesn't necessarily have to be like the typical red or green. It could be like any color satin, but because of that material and fabric that you're using, it's gonna give it the Christmas vibes. So you don't necessarily have to go with the traditional Christmas colors. You could do like a satin purple top, a satin blue top, and it'll still fit the Christmas festive vibe.
Right now I have this like Christmas forest green top that I actually recently got from Zara. I am so obsessed with it, and I just have it paired with the same black flowy pants and then my plain black pumps. So here's an example with just a plain red turtleneck, the black skirt, black tights, and then my black pumps, but I could also do like knee-high boots or just some simple booties, and you get the same effect. It's very Christmassy, but I'm literally using the same skirt and all that I was using the whole video. And then you could also do the same look with like a green turtleneck. This one I have from Forever 21. That's like a million years old. Basically all the pieces in this video are a million years old, and it just goes to show you can get endless Christmas holiday outfits with things that you already have in your closet. And then here is another example of just the super simple skirt, but just by implementing either a Christmas color or a Christmas texture. Any sort of satin top with your simple bottom. Although this is plum and it's not a traditional Christmas color, this outfit still looks and feels very Christmassy because of the satin texture on it paired with the black bottoms. And then of course, I have my sparkly gold earrings. I feel like these just make anything look super holiday appropriate, which is why I love them. This top I got from Zara back in like January or February, so you probably won't be able to get this, but I know Missguided sells a bunch of satin tops that look very similar to this. It doesn't even have to be this exact color. You could do a simple satin black top with the sparkly earrings, a satin white top with the sparkly earrings. Any sort of satin textured top could work. Look at how Christmassy this looks. And this is an all black outfit, but the satin top with the sparkly earrings just does something. And then the tights too, it just automatically makes it Christmassy. This top I got from Express literally back in 2019. And I still remember when I got this top, I was working at MAC and it was in the clearance section for like $10. I came back to work, everybody was obsessed with my top. The next day, everybody had like literally it was like 4 girls that ended up purchasing the same exact top from Express, and we were all working the MAC counter with our matching Express tops. Good memories. This is even a pretty New Year's outfit. All right, this is the last satin option I'm going to share with you guys. This one I had to because it was giving me very like 90s Christmas movies vibes. But I have the same black skirt and then just a simple black tank, or you could even do any sort of simple black high neck top, mock neck top, whatever. Throw on a pretty little satin overshirt like this. And this is so pretty very dressy, but it also looks just so effortless and pretty. And then of course, tie it in with the black tights, the simple black pumps, and then some pretty sparkly earrings. I'm telling you, these are gonna be a part of every outfit. I'm never taking these off. They're just too cute. You could also totally like button up the top and tuck it in, or kind of like, ooh, you could even do one of these options where you tie it, hold on, I've seen this somewhere. Okay, so you could do it cuter, but you could also kind of like tie the top or button it all the way down and crop it and just wear it like this with the skirt. And again, the satin material just makes it look so festive and so Christmassy, but really you're just using very basic colors. You're just playing up the Christmas vibes with the texture.
Then my next option would be any sort of leather pant with a knit sweater. So I think this combination is very Christmassy and fun, a little bit edgy. I feel like leather pants are definitely more of like an edgier, sexier vibe. I hate that word, but it really is. So I feel like by balancing it out with like a chunky knit top, it makes it very Christmassy. And then again, you could literally do like just a black leather pant. You don't even have to wear a skirt or a dress or anything like that, but then you are still gonna fit that very Christmas vibe. And then again, you could throw in some like sparkly accessories to really make it more festive.
These pants I got from Missguided. They're my favorite because they are so comfy, they're so stretchy, knit, and then you have it balanced out with a more edgy leather pant. So this is the same chunky knit top that I had on earlier, and then I'm going to show you guys it with a couple other chunky knit options. So this is the whole outfit all together. You could also totally wear it with some booties. I just have them paired with the same pumps. So here we have this chunky knit that I got from Shein. I'm just gonna again show you guys my tuck-in trick, where I just tuck it into my bra. Just shove it in there. Boom. This sweater I got from Shein again back in 2019. This is the outfit with the leather pants. Very Christmassy, but still very modest. I feel like both of the textures and types of clothing balance each other out really nice. And then I want to show you guys one more chunky knit leather pant option with these pants from Express. These I got last year. They have some really similar this year. They're this really pretty like emerald green. And then again, I have it paired with that same chunky knit that I got from Target. It has a pink hue on it right now. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but I accidentally washed it with something pink. But it's normally just like a really nice creamy tone. But I feel like this with the green leather is so cute, so Christmassy. And then I could pair it with like my white booties that I had on earlier, or just a simple pair of black booties or pumps. And then again with my fun sparkly earrings. So holiday-y.
All right, you guys, so that wraps it up for this video. I really hope that you guys found this helpful, and I hope that this got your brain gears moving so that you can kind of like think about what you have in your closet and think about pieces that you can put together to make a really nice festive holiday outfit. If you did enjoy this video or found it helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. It would really help me out. I love you guys so much. I pray that you all stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Happy holidays! Give it a thumbs up if you like chocolate.